Welcome to the installation guide for the Wyze lamp socket. You're just a few easy steps from a simple, attractive power solution for your Wyze V3. Before we begin, check the Wi-Fi signal at the location where you want to install your lamp socket. You can measure the signal right in the Wyze app. You'll also want to be sure to shut off power to the lamp in which you plan to install the lamp socket. As an added precaution, you may also want to go to your breaker box and flip the breaker for that part of your house. Then flip the light switch just to make sure the power is off. Alright, let's get started. Carefully unscrew the bulb from the lamp. Then, take a moment to remove the protective cover from the USB port on your Wyze lamp socket before connecting the USB cable to the socket. Now screw the bulb securely into the lamp socket. Then screw the entire assembled lamp socket, cord, and bulb into the lamp. Mount your Wyze V3 near the light fixture where you installed the socket, and connect the two ends of the power cables as shown. Finally, you should find included with your lamp socket a small plastic clip with an adhesive patch. Remove the protective film from the adhesive, and press the bracket firmly into whatever place you would like to store your excess cord. In this case, we place the clip on the back of the lamp. Once in place, wind any excess cord as shown and stow it away with the clip. Restore power to the lamp. You may also wish to use the included sticker to ensure that power is not accidentally cut off from your Wyze. With power restored, you can now activate your Wyze V3 in the usual way through the Wyze app. You can easily link up to 5 lamp sockets for greater coverage and control. When turned on, any lamp sockets installed within proximity of the connected Wyze V3 will auto-link for group control. Congratulations! You're the proud new owner of a sleek, elegant power solution for your Wyze V3. Plus, your bulb can now function as a smart bulb. All that in just a few easy steps. Enjoy!